Mean reversion trading.
Written by Patrick MontesDeOca and Scott McDonald's, this audiobook is your guide to mastering the underlying forces that move the markets.
Mean reversion trading, the VCPMI automated algorithm for trading stocks, futures, and ETFs. Chapter 4, Trading Without Emotion. How algorithmic discipline replaces human intuition. Introduction. The greatest enemy of performance in trading is not the market, but human psychology. In this chapter, we detail how the VCPMI system by Equity Management Academy acts as a biological shield, eliminating fear and greed to replace them with purely mathematical execution. Part 1. The Silent Saboteurs. Emotions are the hidden saboteurs of any strategy. Psychological vulnerability, fear, doubt, and overconfidence cloud judgment and distort real probabilities. The cost of hesitation. In high-velocity markets, a second of doubt or an impulsive decision is often the difference between capturing a trend and suffering a catastrophic loss. Part 2. The Architecture of Discipline. The VCPMI system eliminates subjectivity by anchoring every decision within a framework of non-negotiable rules. Statistical anchoring. It utilizes daily, weekly, and monthly standard deviation data to define real supply and demand zones. Probability map. Instead of guessing turns, the system delivers 5 objective levels that function as navigation guides. Every decision rests on statistics, not opinion. Part 3. Structure as freedom. There is a paradox in trading. Rigid structure is what grants the trader freedom. Stress reduction. By having a predefined blueprint for buying, selling, and neutrality, the mental fatigue of analyzing every price movement is eliminated. Process consistency. The outcome of a single trade loses emotional relevance. What matters is the systematic repetition of a high probability edge over the long term. Part 4. Case study. Fear versus structure. To understand the power of the system, let's analyze a typical market event. Scenario. Gold surges vertically $30 above its mean. Trader A, emotional. A victim of FOMO, fear of missing out, buys at the high, hoping the rally continues. Result, panic and loss when the market corrects. Trader B, disciplined with VCPMI, identifies the sell 1, S1 level, recognizes statistical exhaustion and sells toward the mean. Result, profit through a calculated reversion. Conclusion, the difference isn't the analysis, it is the algorithmic discipline. Optimize your asset management by putting the algorithm in your favor. Access the strategic reports by Patrick MontesDeOca via the prestigious investing.com platform. The definitive guide for those seeking to replace the uncertainty of the heart with the certainty of financial mathematics. Part 5. The new role of the strategic trader. This system does not replace the trader, it evolves them into the role of a strategic supervisor for Equity Management Academy. Technical validation. Ensuring the system is operating within the correct time frames. Mechanical execution. Following entry and exit signals without questioning the model. Risk management. Applying stops and position sizes based on discipline, not sentiment. Operational checklist. Steps toward consistency. To trade like a professional, the trader must follow this daily roadmap. Level review. Note the VCPMI zones before the market opens. Risk definition. Establish loss limits without improvising. Trust. The math. Remember that probabilities always defeat emotions in the long run. Outcome. Detachment. Focus on perfect execution. Profits are the natural byproduct of discipline. Conclusion. Key takeaway. Trading without emotion does not mean renouncing passion for the market, but rather embracing execution with mechanical coldness. At Equity Management Academy, we are pioneering leaders with a 13-year trajectory of integrating artificial intelligence to transform the chaos of human intuition into the absolute precision of the algorithm. Reconfiguring your mindset is the fundamental pillar for achieving profitable longevity in global financial markets. Stay ahead of the curve with our daily strategic tips. Find us on X, LinkedIn, and Facebook as Patrick MontesDeOca, and access exclusive dynamic content on Instagram and TikTok by following ema2trade.com. It is time to stop guessing and start executing with the competitive advantage of AI. And remember, get your free book on our official website.
Thanks for tuning in. Check out our other videos and hit subscribe for more trading tips and strategies.